Hi students, today I am going to discuss about aldol condensation. It is a condensation between two enolizable aldehyde or ketone in presence of base to form beta hydroxy aldehyde or ketone. So what is enolizable aldehyde? It is an aldehyde which contains alpha hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is a hydrogen which is attached to the alpha carbon. Carbon next to the functional group is alpha carbon, and in acetaldehyde we have 3 alpha hydrogens. This is enolizable aldehyde which undergo condensation in presence of base. 2 enolizable aldehyde, 2 moles of aldehyde undergo condensation in presence of base to form beta hydroxy aldehyde. So how to write the product? See, here you have 2 carbon atom in acetaldehyde. 2 moles means 4 carbon atoms. So write 4 carbon atoms, and always aldehyde functional groups will be at the terminal, and this is alpha carbon and this is beta, and we need beta hydroxyl group at the beta position. And now satisfy the valency, and this is beta hydroxy aldehyde which is called as aldol. If 2 enolizable aldehydes undergo condensation, it will give beta hydroxy aldehyde which is called as aldol. If 2 enolizable ketones undergo condensation in presence of base, it will give beta hydroxy ketone. Aldehyde will give beta hydroxy aldehyde, ketones will give beta hydroxy ketones which is called as ketol. So this is aldol condensation, and now we will see mechanism involved in the aldol condensation. So first step, what is the first step? It is the formation of a carbanion. So how the carbanion is formed? So this is acetaldehyde molecule, enolizable aldehyde in presence of base. What base will do? It will abstract the hydrogen. It will abstract the alpha hydrogen, and when hydrogen will go as a proton, it will give up electrons to the carbon. So now carbon will have excess electron, and this is carbanion which is called as enolate ion. What is enolate ion? Which is the anion formed in a aldehyde molecule when alpha hydrogen goes off. This is the first step, that is the formation of enolate ion. So now what happens in the second step? That is, second step is attack of enolate ion. Enolate ion is a carbanion which acts as a nucleophile, and aldol condensation is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Aldol condensation is nucleophilic addition reaction, and in the first step nucleophile is formed, that is enolate ion, and in the second step enolate ion formed attack the carbonyl carbon atom. So this is the enolate ion, and this will attack the carbonyl carbon atom of a second aldehyde. So whenever the carbonyl group is there, this oxygen atom pulls the electrons towards it, and it will create electron deficient carbon atom. Here you can see both plus and minus charge will be there in the carbonyl group, and this is the site for electrophile, and this is the site for the nucleophile. So here nucleophile will attack, and here electrophile will attack. So in the first step nucleophile is formed, and this will attack the electron deficient carbon atom. So when enolate ion attack the carbonyl carbon atom, and we'll get alkoxide answer. This is CH3 and this oxygen has taken up the electron, so you'll get minus charge. And let's write this hydrogen here, and now this aldehyde will attach the electron deficient carbon atom. So this is alkoxide intermediate formed in the second step when enolate ion attack the electron deficient carbon. So once the alkoxide ion are formed, then it will undergo protonation. So third step is protonation. See, protonation means proton will be added. So where this proton will attack, this is electrophile, this will attack electron rich oxygen to form alcohol. So now see the product. This is alpha carbon and this is beta carbon, and at beta position you have hydroxyl group. So this is aldol. So this is the product obtained from the aldol condensation, and once the aldol is formed at high temperature, this aldol undergo dehydration. At high temperature, dehydration occurs. Dehydration means what? It is a removal of water molecule. Hydrogen from the alpha carbon, hydroxyl ion from the beta carbon will go, and the product formed is alkene. So here you will get a unsaturated bond. So CH3, and here you will get a unsaturated bond. So this is alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So here it involves three steps. One is formation of enolate ion, and the second is attack of enolate ion on the electron deficient carbon. The third step is protonation to give product aldol, and once aldol is formed at high temperature, it undergo dehydration to give alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. So this is aldol condensation.